Hello guys, in this video I will be teaching you HTML and CSS tutorial for beginners. Alright, actually before you create a website you need a web browser. Alright, you need a web browser. Then what is the use of the web browser here? The web browser is a software, a program, alright, which is going to view your website, and you need a text editor to write your code. Alright, and you need a scripting language, HTML language. Alright, so before we get started, you have to download a text editor first. I will do a video tutorial on that, but already I have installed a text editor. There are so many text editors on the market. Some of them are VS Code, Sublime Text, Sublime Text, Atom, and many more. So let's get started. Alright, here is Untitled. When you look on the tab, it is Untitled. So let's create a folder on our desktop in which we're gonna put our file in it. So I'll call it HTML and CSS. Okay, and this is our folder. Let me okay, so that you can see it. Alright, okay, a bit more. Okay, so let's open our text editor. Then you save this as index.html. Navigate it to your folder. Index.html. Okay, please use small cases. Alright, use small case. Alright, so let's start. Now, what is the meaning of HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Alright, and the meaning of hypertext means a way in which web pages are linked together. Alright, linked together. Alright, so actually there are 8 basic tags of HTML. Alright, you need a markup tags to create HTML document. So let's start. You start with a doc type, but before that, this text editor will automatically do that for you. So you just type HTML. Alright, so you need this. The text the doc type. The meaning of the doc type is the document type. Alright, the document type to be HTML. Okay, then the HTML on line 2 is the root document. Alright, and the head, when it comes to the head tag, in the head we have a title tag. The head tag is a meta tag. Alright, it means you cannot see, you cannot work with it. Alright, but only you can see is the title. So, and the title of a website, is always displays on the tab. Alright, okay, so we have to preview our web browser. Our file. Okay, we haven't done anything yet, so nothing will be displayed, but this is the title. Alright, this is the title because we haven't typed any title there. So let's see HTML and CSS. You save that by pressing the Ctrl S. Okay, so now refresh your browser. This is it, you got that. Alright, then in the body tag is the visible page content. Here where you can work with. Alright, where you can work with. Now, before we display some text here, you need tags. Alright, the first one I'm gonna talk about is the head tag. Alright, the head tag is H1. Okay, so you type your text I mean your text goes between the two pairs. So type this is a paragraph, heading. You save that and you refresh it. Alright, so you see this in your browser, and you have up to 6 levels of heading from H1 to H6. Save that and refresh it. Okay, up to 6. Alright, you can do that practical by yourself. Alright, then if I want to display a paragraph, I use the p tag. Okay, p tag. Type, say this is a paragraph. Alright, this is a paragraph. So you refresh that. Okay, you save this. There's a paragraph. Now you've created your first document. Alright, your first document in HTML. Now how can you inspect this source code in your web browser? I mean this code, this scripts here. How can you inspect it in your web browser? By pressing the Ctrl+U. Alright, get the same here. Okay, let me close that. So thank you for watching this first episode. Thank you for watching this first episode. See you next